Okay, good day. We have a motherboard here that is 820 That should be a 2015 or 2017 motherboard. Now looking at it, we have a power issue, no power, not even PP3V3 hot present. So looking at the back of the system, you will see that we have water damage, which is muco content available here. So probably what we are doing now is called physical inspection. Physical inspection to checkmate if there is any errors, but we've seen number one error, which can also alterate the power flow of the system. Okay, let's see if there's another. Now from the power area, from the power side, nothing. Everything is present, everything is clean, everything is clean. From the display, everything is clean also. Okay, from the bias, everything is clean. I think where we have issues is from this area. Now let's see from the board view to see what actually is responsible for that section. You open up the motherboard 00165A. Okay, that section should be okay. Let's see from the section we have okay, we have that's 5 volts XO, 5 volts SO, and which other one again? We have a wrong here, is faulty. 5 volts XO is not present. Oh man, this is a total damage. Okay, that is a total damage. So we are looking at resistor which takes in 5 volts also. Okay, that is P good. That is also, that is system 1 wire now, all system power, and which is one that is bad. Okay, let's start by applying our chemical content, that's our alcohol, to clean up that surface. Okay, now after cleaning the surface, we identify that is not present, and also this resistor here, 5 volt switch, that should be a 5 volts resistor. Okay, is a 3 volts resistor, also is not present. We have a resistor 8165 not present, and also cap 8160 is not present. I think those two are the main source of the power issues on this board. So let's look at it and see how we can solve the problem. Keep watching, we'll get back as we are done on this one. Hi guys, welcome back to HGS Assist. We have an issue that we have firstly explained on 820.100.165, which we explained of water damage that condemned some parts on this circuit, and also the resistor responsible for transmitting the power. And now when we check on the schematic diagram, we discovered that actually what is wrong on that aspect, the circuit on this aspect, is called the XO rail. The XO rail is the circuit responsible for power on the motherboard. So as you can see, After we remove the bad resistor, the contact from that resistor was totally damaged, so we have to trace the line, and which the line is arrow 8167 and the U8160, which are the SO rail. Now pin 4 signifies all system power. Now this circuit here tells all the system, all the rails on this system to power on. Once this system rail, all the 5 volts, 3 volts, 1 volts is present on the system, the next circuit which tells the SMC to power on the system is what? The XO rail. Now the XO rail pin 4 from our flex view, pin 4 from our flex view is not having a contact from this resistor, which is arrow 8165. So what we did was to run a cable. As you can see, we run a cable from one of the leg on the 8160 down to the contact point. If you can see the wire, we did a very neat work here. As you can see, we have a connection on it. So after we did this, we believe that the power rail is going to be complete, and the system has to send a signal to the SMC to power. Now let's have a test of what we did actually, to see if we actually did a nice job on this. Okay, sorry for my table. My table is so rowdy. Rowdy. Okay, let's put to taste. Okay, we have a working system. We have 5 amperage 574 is up to. Now the processor is heating up, the fan is spinning. As you can see, we have solved the issue on this motherboard, which is the power issue. So thanks for watching, and keep subscribing to the channel for more uploads. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you very much.